Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different for you guys. As a gift, I received the subscription for Birch Box. And if you don't know what Birch Box is, it is a box subscription of free skincare, makeup, everything. Well, not free subscription, but you know what I mean. You subscribe to the subscription online. It's $10 a month, and they send you a little Birch Box in the mail, and it comes with a bunch of goodies. I got this as a gift, so I'm not really sure which month this one is for, but this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm just gonna open it up. On the inside, which I don't have, of course, comes a little card, but I did find the card online for you guys to see. You can't really see, let me face it this way. As you can see, it just lists everything in the subscription that it comes with, and then it tells you the actual price that it is, and that what you got for online as a subscription. So, here we go. The first thing that I have been actually using since I got the box is the MAC Cosmetics in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. It says in the description, you want lashes that are as dimensional as you are, then swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash, which is actually 110% true. I have been using this guy. This is the sample size that it comes with, because the full size is actually $23. It looks like this, but I'm gonna zoom you guys all in here. If you could see my lashes, they are not clumpy at all, very spidery. I am in love with this. As you guys know, I do love the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That is like my go-to lash mascara, and then it's the carbon black, but I don't know, I've been using high-end a lot, and that's not good because it's expensive and I'm broke. This guy is taking the cake, and I love it. I use it every single day. I'm scraping every inch out of this guy. The next thing that is in it that caught my eye is the Wilma Schaumann Skincare. This is the Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. They look like this. As you can see, there are 2 collagen pads in there if you choose under your eye. It says European Skincare. Hydration booster for the eye contour area. Now, let's see here. What else does it say? An intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. For all skin types, containing smooth hydrating ingredients will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating, clinically and allergy tested. And then it gives the ingredients: aqua, glycol, corn gluten, amino acids, hyaluronic acids, flower extract, things like that. But yeah, this is 1 pair, and the full size goes for $18. So that's pretty good. I'm really excited to try that. Next up is this actually really caught my eye as well because my skin is pretty sensitive. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up New Skin Amplifying Moisturizer. The full size of this is $34. Fortified with aloe vera, avocado oil, vitamin E, and other all-natural ingredients, the moisturizer outlashes skin for a smoother, more radiant complexion. I'm really excited to try this because everything that I use on my face, I feel like, I don't know, like it's good for a while and then I just can't with it anymore. It like does something to my skin. It makes it red, it makes it this, it makes it that, and my skin's really like red to begin with and really sensitive, so I really am interested in trying this guy out. Also, I'm going to be trying these guys out in a video. I want to make a whole video based on these, just because they're bigger and they give like an effect like right after, so I want to see if those actually really work. So next up we have which I also really like. The Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Perla. This guy is also the sample size, but the full size is $22. This creamy liquid lipstick in a rosy neutral shade glides on like gloss, yet lasts and lasts and lasts like satin all day long. It is from Stila. This is what the color is. This is what it looks like. I'll give you a little swatch. Ooh, that literally glided on like butter. Sorry, I have previous swatches on my hand, but that literally glided on like butter. And it's like a beautiful mauve shade. And it, again, another smell of liquid lipsticks that smells like cupcakes. Interesting. Beautiful, beautiful color though. I really like it. And the last thing that is very interesting to me, this is called 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. The full size of this guy is $22. This is a miracle working leave-in conditioning spray, detangles, protects, and heals strands. Bonus, the fresh scent lingers and locks long after you spritz. Okay, so what this actually does is seals color, smooths repairs, improves texture, and manageably prevents split ends. Moisturizes, strengthens, protects from chlorine, wind, and sun. Prevents flat iron damage, adds shine and softens, protects from blow drying, and anti-age formula. Okay, instructions. Mist on hair before blow drying. Oh, before blow drying or swimming. Do not rinse. Okay, so once you get out of the shower, you have to just spray this all over your hair, brush it through, then blow dry. I thought this might be like an after type of thing. Apparently not. Okay. Not too many ingredients, which I like. That's great. I wanna... Oh, I just opened it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna love this. Yep. The smell is like clean laundry. It smells so good. That's like my favorite scent. I wanna see how this spritz. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so gonna love this. Can't wait to try this out. I might try this out in a video too. I'll probably like put this in my hair, blow dry it, and straighten it and see if it feels any different than it does like right now, like dry and flat. So yeah, that is the Birchbox. I hope for December. I don't really know, but that is okay. Again, this is what the box looks like. If you hear any jumbling around in there, I have some jewelry in here that I keep in here. But yeah, this is my first Birchbox, and I'm actually really impressed with it. It has some pretty good stuff in it. I highly suggest getting a Birchbox because it actually has a lot of good stuff, like high-end stuff that would be really expensive and worth it that you got in a subscription. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna do one every month for the Birchbox. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.